Your credit score is more than just a number on a report. It's a key that opens doors to better opportunities. Building and keeping a healthy credit score can be a game changer for your financial well-being. With good credit, you'll have the freedom to borrow for short-term emergencies and longer-term big-ticket items, like a car or your dream home. So how do you build and maintain a good credit score? Let's go over the 5 key factors that will affect how your score is calculated. Paying your bills on time builds a solid foundation for your credit score. Whether it's your rent, utilities, credit card, or loans, paying on time and consistently goes a long way in showing creditors that you're responsible. It's important to keep your overall debt lower than your available credit. A good rule of thumb is to keep your credit utilization less than 30% of your total allowance. If you get too close to your limit, creditors may think you're biting off more than you can chew. Closing a lightly used card can also affect your credit utilization ratio. So if you can do so without incurring any fees, consider keeping it open and using it sparingly. Creditors love to see a long credit history. It proves you're a seasoned pro at handling money. So if you've been properly managing credit for a while, pat yourself on the back. Your experience speaks volumes about your ability to handle financial responsibilities. Additionally, by opening and using a credit card responsibly early on, you can start building a positive credit history, which is helpful for future financial endeavors. Your credit should showcase a diverse mix of credit types, from mortgages to credit cards, to car payments and installment loans. A varied mix will showcase skill in managing your financial commitments. Creditors are always keeping an eye on your recent financial moves. Opening multiple accounts or constantly seeking new credit can give the impression that you're desperate for loans, which can be seen as a high-risk behavior. So think twice before adding another credit card to your wallet. Now that you know the 5 key factors to building a healthy credit score, it's time to take action. Regularly check your credit reports from Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. You can get a free copy of your credit report every 12 months through annualcreditreport.com. When it comes to building good credit, knowledge is power. Staying informed about your credit score helps you stay in control. And that's just something money can't buy.